Starting around 30 July 2023, STEPN fundamentally is exchanging at 22 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.14% in kind of most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner, in spite of prevalent thinking. GMT entirely has an especially complete market cap of $238,678,914, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $17,780,000, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking, which really is very critical. This especially essentially makes STEPN GMT sort of positioning at 124 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the STEPN cost expectation end of 2023. What will STEPN sort of be all things considered worth in 2023? Kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Is STEPN a kind of essentially wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023 in a fundamentally exceptionally significant manner? Will GMT cost basically outperform its unequaled high? Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. These generally in every way that really matters are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT's future. STEPN GMT value expectation 2023. As per the STEPN gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the GMT cost certainly is supposed to fundamentally basically cross and in every way that really matters, sort of normal value level of 26 cents, the normal most certainly least value worth of STEPN, toward the finish of the by and large current year, ought to explicitly in every way that really matters, be 25 cents. Which explicitly essentially is genuinely critical. Besides, GMT can in every practical sense basically arrive at a very greatest value level of 29 cents. STEPN GMT value figure July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of STEPN essentially generally is certainly anticipated to for the most part arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of 22 cents. While the coin could exchange between an extremely kind of limit of 23 cents and a by and large least of 20 cents, all things considered, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. GMT value gauge August 2023. Concerning August 2023, STEPN really is supposed to, all things considered, arrive at a sort of least value worth of 22 cents in an extremely lovely significant manner. The GMT cost could for the most part arrive at an essentially greatest cost of 24 cents, with the in every way that really matters, truly normal cost around 23 cents in a significant manner in an unpretentious way. STEPN GMT value expectation September 2023. The cost for STEPN in September 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 23 cents and 25 cents, or so they generally thought, while the truly normal exchanging cost ought to basically explicitly be around 24 cents, which generally is very huge, or so they thought. STEPN value expectation October 2023. The cost of STEPN in a real sense is in a real sense anticipated to generally reach at a kind of least worth of 23 cents in October 2023, or so they truly thought. The GMT cost could explicitly essentially arrive at an especially beautiful most extreme worth of 26 cents, with the in every way that really matters, sort of normal exchanging worth of 24 cents all through 2023, in an unobtrusive manner in an unpretentious way. STEPN value expectation November 2023. The cost of STEPN in every way that really matters is certainly anticipated to reach at a very least worth of 24 cents in November 2023, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking in an unpretentious manner. The GMT cost could generally basically arrive at an in every way that really matters, most extreme worth of 27 cents, with the truly normal exchanging worth of 25 cents all through 2023 in a pretty exceptionally significant manner. STEPN GMT value conjecture December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of STEPN especially is by and large basically anticipated to for the most part arrive at a for the most part normal cost of 26 cents, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of 29 cents and a for the most part kind of least of 25 cents. STEPN past value examination and the sort of certainly beyond 24 hours. The crypto actually in a real sense has been by and large diminished by 0.45%. in its most certainly current worth in an unpretentious manner. On the off chance that we truly look at the truly kind of current market cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap is likewise down in an unpretentious manner, which is genuinely huge. STEPN, all things considered, for the most part is confronting a very kind of tough time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins in an extremely significant manner. The GMT in a real sense especially is down to nearly 5.57% in the actual sort of most recent 7 days, exhibiting how stepn value forecast November 2023. The cost of STEPN by and large is anticipated to basically reach at any rate worth of 24 cents in November 2023, or so they really thought. The coin explicitly is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for commonly past especially couple of days. The coin could for the most part have areas of strength for genuinely in any case. We don't feel that it would a productive resource in sort of present moment, showing how while the typical exchanging cost ought to be around 24 cents in an essentially huge manner in an unpretentious way. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT explicitly diminished by 46.156%, killing an incredible sort of normal amount of 18 cents from its certainly current worth, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can super be a by and large great, for the most part purchase an open door for speedy speculation, showing the way that the GMT cost could sort of fundamentally arrive at a really most extreme worth of 26 cents, with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of 24 cents, all through 2023. The 90 days cost change generally is near 62.36%, and the cost truly circled from a base most certainly normal cost of 51 cents to essentially in every practical sense, greatest genuinely sort of normal cost of 59 cents in the by and large beyond 90 days, in an unobtrusive manner in a huge way. STEPN fundamentally basically is somewhere near 15.72%. With the extremely greatest pretty kind of typical cost of the coin, sort of was around 29 cents, and the genuinely least lovely especially normal cost of generally was around 28 cents in especially beyond 4 months, showing how on the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the STEPN cost expectation end of 2023, what will STEPN most certainly really be genuinely worth in 2023? Which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. STEPN value conjecture 2023 facts. What will in a real sense be STEPN by and large worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The GMT cost certainly is estimated to generally arrive at an essentially most extreme degree of 29 cents, with exceptionally sort of least cost of 25 cents toward the finish of 2023, which by and large is genuinely huge. Does STEPN for the most